Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Owen Company. Today we're in the showroom and we're going to demo the BedXtender HD from Amp Research. Everyone that has a truck knows they have a friend that always calls them and say, "Hey man, can you help me move?" I know it can be a daunting task and sometimes you don't want to do it, but hey, if you got a BedXtender, you got your buddy's back. Just flip this bad boy out like this. It gives you 2 extra feet of cargo space. You can haul your buddy's couch in this bad boy. Not only that, you can put it in this position and haul smaller items like fishing tackle, toolboxes, sporting goods, groceries, or even a cooler. You're ready to roll. Don't have to worry about your cooler sliding all the way back out in the front of your truck bed. BedXtender HD comes in 2 different finishes. It's the durable silver or black powder coat finish that will protect it from scratches and weather damage. The BedXtender HD is made of heavy-duty 6063 T6 aluminum alloy tubes and nylon composite uprights. This is really easy to install, just with 2 little brackets on either side of the truck bed. Simple and easy. Easy to remove, you just lift it like this, pull it out, bam, it's removed. Easy to put back in. Find that little notch there, boom, back in place. Are you worried about it being secure when you're heading down the road in this position? No worries. They got these nifty little straps. Snap it in right here on either side and you're nice and secure, ready to roll. You want to take it off, just release the latches. You can use it in any position. Thanks for joining us today. Appreciate you watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember to tune in every Friday for more installations, reviews, and demos of your favorite products.